How's it? Let's see if we can debunk this DIY Blacklight phone hack. Shall we? Let's go. Items I'll need are clear tape, blue Sharpie, and a purple Sharpie. So I grabbed some tape, cut a small piece, and placed it over the light on the back of my phone. Then I took my blue Sharpie and colored the first layer. Add another piece of tape over the first layer and color this one blue as well. And the third and last layer, I took one more piece of tape and colored it with the purple Sharpie. Then I turned on the flashlight app, and what do we have? Supposedly a blacklight. Or is it? Let's put it to the test, shall we? Okay, this is written in highlighter yellow, which is blacklight reactive. Doesn't look too bad. Looks like it works in regular daylight. Let's check it out in complete darkness. And this is what it looks like with a real blacklight. Can you notice the difference? Let's put them side by side. Let's see if this thing works in the bathroom. What about pet stains? Oh my goodness, it works with UV paint? Nah, just kidding. That's my UV flashlight. And the true test, UV reactive paint. Okay, so I think it's safe to say that we debunked this DIY blacklight phone hack. It doesn't work because there's no UV or ultraviolet light coming out. It's almost like a 400 nanometer blacklight without the UV. So if you're looking for real UV flashlights, check out this playlist over here. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!